Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how you can use on-screen volume up or volume down key on iPhone 15 Pro Max. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and click on accessibility. Now here in physical and motor section, click on touch and then click on assistive touch, and from here turn on this assistive touch button. When you turn on assistive touch button, the assistive touch icon will be shown on the screen. Then go back to your home screen, and if you want to volume down or volume up from your home screen, then touch on this icon and then click on device. Here you will see a volume up option and volume down option. Click on volume up to increase the volume and click on the volume down to decrease the volume. So that's how you can use on-screen volume up and volume down key on iPhone 15 Pro Max. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.